Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today I'm gonna make a roast. It's coming in the oven. So we got one of these trays to put. We got oven. We just got oven bags. So we got medium oven bags, and we got the whole chicken. So we just got a small chicken. So let's get into, okay, and we got flour for the bag so it doesn't get, okay, so we're gonna put the flour in the oven bag. I just put a tablespoon in here, so I just put one straight. Oh, I'll put two, you know, and then take the flour. Put it back in. So, oops. So, pause it. So we're gonna open up the chicken. So now, whoop, oh. So I'm gonna bring the chicken out. Oops. Didn't realize I had. So I'm just gonna okay. I'm gonna put the chicken in the bag. I'm gonna wash this. So we're just gonna we're gonna fry it, and then so we're just gonna make sure it's a hole, so all the so we're gonna put the chicken on the tray like this. So we're gonna we're gonna turn on the oven, put the oven. Oh. Okay, we're gonna put it on. I got it on. The chicken's on. Let's go let that cook. We're gonna we're going to have roast with our roast chicken. So we got 2 carrots. We got 3 potatoes. So we're just going to use up our potatoes. We got cucumber, red onion, and pumpkin, and we got capsicum, and we got oil, so we'll put the oil in the pan, and we're just going to use chili and garlic spice shaker. Okay, now we're going to start doing the potatoes. So I'm going to get a knife. So we're going to cut potatoes. So we go. I just cut them on the side and then just do because we're trying to waste up our potatoes. So okay, we're gonna try and chop this. Should we keep them big or keep them? Yeah, because these carrots are like my favourite carrots, the horse carrots. Oh wow! I'll just oil the pan while I'm waiting, while I'm still cutting my veggies. We're gonna so we're gonna put the potatoes in here. In the carrots. Oops. Carrot went through. So what else I'm gonna do? So I cut the coop. So we're going to cut the cats and ouch! You don't be like me. Don't cut yourself. Oh, we had a growing thing inside. How special was that? The cows are like, what the? We haven't seen the pigs for a while, so that's something. Get all the seeds out. Oh, I got wet on. Come on, what's up with me today? See you later. So I'm going to do the onions. So we just got the red onions. I'm going to... Oh! Look. So... So we got the pumpkin. So ouch. So we're gonna put them in. So put them. Yep. So we're gonna put the olive oil on top. Toast it with. Then we got the shaker. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oops. Oops. It's going to be really spicy. Oh well. I'll just mix it up together if I try to. Gotta wash my hands because it's got oil. Okay. I'm gonna open up the so I'm gonna put the veggies in. Oh, how I'm gonna do that? I've got the veggies in, so hopefully might taste nice when it's cooked. Thank you for watching how to make roast chicken and roast veggies. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.